welcome back to my channel. Well, what I thought we would do today is, since it's getting so close to Christmas, I still have several DIYs I want to do, but today what I want to do is give you some stocking stuffer ideas from the Dollar Tree. They have so many really nice things that you can give someone very inexpensively, or Secret Santa gifts, anything like that. So this is what I'm going to give as stocking stuffers. Okay, here's a microfiber hair wrap. I got it in pink, and then I got one in purple. These are great if you have curly hair to put your hair up. Even if you don't have curly hair, it's very absorbent and it's a lot easier on your hair. And for $1, great stocking stuffer, okay? Then I saw this, and it's just a makeup brush cleaning mitt. And you just put these on your fingers, you put this on your fingers, and then you just take your makeup brushes and rub it on there. It helps get out all the makeup, and I think it's a wonderful gift. They had it in a lot of different colors, but this is the color that I picked up for the stocking stuffer, and I just think it's really cute idea, and it shows you right here on the back how to use it. So far, I think anybody would love these as stocking stuffers. But he's not gonna stand up. Okay, then here's a compact that says, I love you. And now it doesn't have rhinestones or anything, it's flat. And they had another one, I'm trying to remember what it was, and I can't remember off the top of my head. And then the back is just white. But this is really good to put in your purse, backpack, anything like this. Anytime you're going, even keep it in your car. That way you want to put on some lipstick or check your eye. Here it is. Then I found this word search 2020 calendar, and I'll flip it over. And it's actually a calendar, and then it also has word search. So I love that. And you can, I think it just sort of stands up, and that way you can do search a word. Anybody that loves puzzles, like search a word, like my mom loves search a word. I love search a word. And it's really small and compact, and it would sit in your office, on your desk, anywhere, on your counter, anything like that. Great gift. Then I saw these magnetic bookmarks, and they had a bunch of different ones. This is says, my only hope is in you. Love is patient. Be joyful always. And I just love these. And they had several to choose from, but I picked these up. I hope you can see them really well. I think this would be great if someone loves to read books or anything like that. Even if you're into adult coloring, you could put this on the page and you wouldn't lose what page you were on. So I think that is great. Even a recipe book, this is great for that. And then I saw these like fuzzy, super soft socks, and they have this non-stick grip on the bottom. And I love these. These are so cute and fun. I love something like this to run around the house with. It keeps your feet warm, and it's so cute and upbeat. I got that one, and then I got this one. I just think they are so adorable, and they are so soft, okay? Now, these really aren't stocking stuffers, but they could be. If you know someone that's into planning, this would be great. I love Dollar Tree washi, and I saw this. It's new. I haven't seen this before in my Dollar Tree. So I picked this up. I think that is so cute. And then I picked this one up. It is so pretty. It just looks like aloe to me. But I love that. So I hope you enjoyed the ideas for stocking stuffers from the Dollar Tree. And naturally, they always have nail polish. The only thing with the nail polish is it does have formaldehyde in it, and I try to stay away from that. But they have so many. They have like large search a word books. They have books like crazy. They just have so many things that you could really find. Candy even. Ugh, I love candy. Love it too much. But I mean, even their candy would be good stocking stuffer idea. I just didn't get it because I don't need to eat any more candy. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.